much, like, totally. Oh my god,
This is
Becky.
my phone.
Seriously.
I'm gonna text on it.
It's pretty awesome.
This is amazing.
Yeah.
OMG.
Oh my G.
What does OMG stand for?
Oh my gosh, Becky.
I think we should go shopping. We should get you a hat.
Let's get some shoes.
Let's get some shoes. We should get some shoes.
Maybe like a purse or something to hold our
Let's
shoes
get
in.
some shoes.
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 1, 2, 3, shoes.
Shoes.
1, 2, 3, shoes.
Shoes. Shoes.
You weren't with the group, okay?
Okay, no, you aren't with me. Alright.
Yeah.
Oh my god, girl, you need a pedicure.
Oh my god, girl, you need a petty. You should get a mani and a petty.
Well, you need to get your hair cut.
I do need to get my hair cut, actually. That is true.
Hey, so, like, one time, I was doing this thing, and it was pretty awesome. Yeah.
OMG.
You have a funny nose.
God, touch my nose. Ew, gross. I just got it redone. There's so much plastic in it. If I go out and
Shut up, Michael Jackson.
You shut up, Michael. Hey, kids, come down to my basement. I have some lollipops. Hey, come down to my basement. I got some popsicles. I don't.
That's what I thought, because she's not cool like that. Not that I'm going to do anything after I give you a popsicle, or anything like that.
Awkward silence.
Yep.